This a Mercedes CLS 63, just doing the real brake pads. So basically they just go in there like this. They just slide in and out. In order to get them out, I just took like my spreader. I just put it in between there and squeeze it on the bottom. Put it on the top. Spread them. And before you do that, you know what I'm saying, on these rear ones, you got your sensor, which I just pulled that out. It just goes in there like that. Just pull it out. Oh, thanks. And you just put it in there like that and just pull it out. I just use a pair of pliers to pull it out. And then to get these out, basically they go in there like this. And line them up, pull. So you gotta pull forward a little bit. You see that hole right there. These will have to come forward a little bit. You want to line them up. That hole right there. It goes like that. Okay. Then, in here, just gotta snap these. That's it right there. And then spread this apart like that. You're gonna do the same thing. And just put it in that hole. All you're doing is lining up the holes. Same here, right here. And that's how they come out too. You just line them up. And I just take a little punch. I got this big hammer, but little hammer might work a little bit better, something like that. And I use a little lubricant before I took it out. I sprayed them with lubricant, and then once you're done, you take your sensor, push it back in there, and then this it just slides right inside there. Anyways, it just goes actually like this right here. You'll see there's a hole in there, and it goes like that, just like that right there. Just goes right in that groove. That's how you do it. That's how you do your brakes. And then to get them out, all y'all did was take a punch and then hit that right there. Take a punch, hit that right there, and then what holds it in is it's pressurized by the spring. So the spring right there is hold it in there. But these pretty easy. All you do is just do like that, and then like to get the piston, you know, you just put your spreader in there like that between them tabs, spread them open. That's it. That's all it is to the brakes. What is it, 2013 or 2012 Mercedes-Benz CLS for the brakes. Appreciate that.